Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, especially for this video. You're going to want to watch the whole thing, but don't forget to subscribe, especially if you love makeup reviews, tutorials, demos, and more. Today, I'm looking extra fancy. Today, I wanted to do a tutorial using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. Ooh, I have not been excited. There hasn't been like a palette where I'm like, I need it, click, get it. I definitely clicked real quick on this one. So excited for it. These shades are beautiful. I created this look, and at first I was like, okay, it's gonna be nice little glittery, but like, nowhere, just oh my god, love it. It's $45, kind of on par with the other Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which to me, $45 for a great quality palette, I think is amazing. I definitely tried to bring out a bunch of my Anastasia Beverly Hills products, which I'm just like, wow, I love it. They work beautifully together. You guys should definitely keep on watching. And you should definitely keep on watching till the very end, because I've got a special surprise for you guys. And especially, I was like, should I even mention it, or do I just want to kind of wait and see who sees it? I want my loyal subscribers, loyal followers here. But, I'm just going to say it, and it's up to you if you want to stay to the very end to maybe hear a little special something for you, possibly. But if it's a little bit hard to hold on, just grab your favorite snack. Mine are hot Cheetos. Grab some hot Cheetos, watch the whole thing, enjoy, because I think you'll really enjoy it. But now let's get back to the program and hang on so you guys can see how I got this look. Very easy. It looks fancy, but it's very easy. So just keep on watching. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is prime my lid in preparation for the eyeshadow. I'm taking my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and this is a Sigma Precision Flat Brush P80, and we're just going to pat that in. Create a nice little canvas for our eyeshadow. Then I'm just going to take my NYX HD finishing powder. I'm just going to go ahead and set that really quickly. Now we're going to go ahead and take the Jackie Aina palette. And the shade that I'm going to use is this one called Ginger, which is just like a beautiful soft brown shade, but with like some color. So it's not your, muted color where you got to buff and buff and buff and buff and try to get on. No, this is beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and take that on a Sonia Kashuk fluffy brush, and we're going to begin building that as a transition. There's like so many different color options you can totally use as your transition shade. Just so many different looks you can get out of this palette. Next, with the Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to go into this shade Pinker, and we're going to take this onto the crease. So I'm going to pack that right onto the edge. And we're going to start bringing it in, still trying to keep it lower than that transition shade. And honestly, this color can like be built up, just have like a nice, it can be just a subtleness, or as you can see, we built it up. It's just like a beautiful like a wine shade. This is like, I'm so excited for this palette for like the fall, for the summer, but this is totally giving me like so many beautiful fall shades. So I'm just building that up back and forth, adding pigmentation, blending it out as we add it. This look is super easy. I feel like you can do so many super easy looks with this palette, or you can get crazy with it. That it just adds on beautifully. Love it. Love it. Now I'm actually just going to take that brush that comes in this palette, and I'm going to take the outer fluffy side and just slightly go in and blend out those edges, kind of blend it in with that first transition shade. I love the size of this like fluffy side. It's just like perfect to really get precise blending. I love these brushes. All the brushes that come in the ABH palettes, I always save because I love to use them for looks. And you can see I'll dip this in later into that pinker shade. You can even go in with a little bit of ginger right on top and blend that out. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, and we're going to clean up the lid. Preparation for this beautiful shade. it's named appropriately. Spraying my brush, this is a MAC 242 with some Max Fix Plus for the star of the show. For the star of the show, I'm going in with the shade Zam. And that is exactly what you will say when you apply this on to your lid. Zam. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Soleil with the other side of the brush, just flipping that over and just kind of putting in the inner corner part and bringing that in just to kind of add a little depth, some dimension. Just patting that and kind of meshing the two together so you can kind of play back and forth with it and see how you like it. And then just bringing that in. But this shade, this palette, and especially these two shades on the lid, definitely have a lot of fallout, especially like the glittery ones. So definitely do your eyes before your foundation. But for me, I don't mind some fallout on a palette that's going to deliver that pigmentation, that blendability, and the quality. Like, we're doing good, so I don't mind it. I'd rather have some fallout than none of that. So now I'm just going to go in with that ABH brush and the shade Pinker, and I'm just going to go and blend that in. And just kind of get a nice seamless transition. So just blending that into the edges and then right on the top part, just so, you know, we don't have any harsh lines. Ooh. So I've gone ahead and done my wing liner. I've used the NYX matte liquid liner, and my lashes are Batty Bee lashes in the style Batty. I've already prepped my skin so it can sink in with my E.L.F Poreless Putty Primer. Honestly, this primer has been really growing on me. I've really been liking it, especially with all these like foundation wear tests. Like, it's just definitely made a difference in how my foundation has worn. The foundation I'm going to use today, of course, we're going to use all the ABH products using the new Anastasia Beverly Hils foundation. They're a luminous foundation. Mine is in the shade 320N, in case you guys are curious. So we're going to go ahead. I think I did say I like this better with the brush, but all my like flat brushes, my favorite flat brushes are, what do you call it, a little dirty right now. So we're going to just go in with the sponge, which I liked it with the sponge. So I'm using the Morphe Beauty sponge, and ooh, we about to be luminous. I love it. All the ABH products. Ugh, I need to get another brow pencil just because, I mean, you can never miss out. Although the, 21 Days of Beauty on Ulta sales starting September. So not next week, but the week after, they are having a bunch of different products on sale. And I know one of them is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I think it's going to be like around like $12 or something. So if you can get your hands on it, I would definitely do it. I think the year before that, they had their micro brow pencil. Actually, I kind of want to try this now with the FENTY Hydrating Primer. If you guys have not seen my review and demo on this Anastasia foundation, but then also the FENTY foundation, you should check it out down in the description. But combining a hydrating primer with a luminous foundation can only be good for dry skin, right? Oof, oh, I can't stop putting this on. It looks so good. Okay, Anastasia needs a concealer now. Hopefully they're coming out with that. I do know they have like a pot concealer meant to like carve out the brows, but I need a concealer. Concealer, please, and thank you. I don't think they do. That would be great. For my concealer, I'm just going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer just to keep it consistent here. This one, it's so full coverage, you really don't need that much. I'm actually just going to put some dots like that. Head and blend that out and just wait until I add my brows. This concealer's a little light, mind you. I'm using my tan shade foundation. Don't worry, don't you worry. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna go with that NYX HD setting powder. I'm just gonna take it with my sponge because I'm lazy. Can totally use that brush. Since we don't have any ABH brows with us, I'm going to just go in really quickly with my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. So now we're going to finish up the eye look really quickly, and I'm just going to go back into that shade Pinker, and I am going to take that with a pencil brush, and we're going to take that on the lower lash line. Hopefully it does not flake. Oh God, so pigmented. Just going to quickly take my L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Eye Pencil, and I'm going to go on my top waterline and bottom. Top especially just to kind of get rid of any like of my skin peeking through, since we got drama. And then honestly, lower lash line, if you have like a colorful eyeliner, pencil liner, totally, I think you can mix it up that way, or I'm just gonna be lame and do the black. Now I'm going to go in with one of my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills products. This is their bronzer. If you guys have not tried their bronzers, so worth it. I totally need to do like high-end products worth the money. This one is totally in it. I have the shade Rosewood. This goes perfect with my dry skin. They have a couple of other shades. I love it when brands come out with like multiple shades of bronzers as opposed to like one universal bronzers, because it's really not a thing anymore or ever. We need variety. And of course, I'm using my famous brush that blazed bit up, but it survived. This is the Sigma. This is their angle brush. Survives a husky. Dog mom problems. It lays on top of the foundation and blends out beautifully. For some added precision, I'm going back into that NYX HD finishing powder. I'm just going to clean up underneath. While we let that set, I'm going to go in with my Flower Beauty Peach Prism blush and my Target Up and Out brush. Ooh. Missed you. I've been mixing it up a little bit. Oh, I got another new blush trio to try out. ABH does have blushes. I think they have little blush palettes. I need to try those out. Go in and blend that out. Get rid of my Santa beard. Now, favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Breezy highlight. They did so good with this highlight. Oh my god. Okay. Ugh, I love this highlight. Ooh, frosty. But it's just like a beautiful sheen. Almost forgot the inner corner. And I could do the highlight, but I actually want to use a shade in the palette just to see what's up. Oh, I can't stop. It's like you don't even need to. You don't even need to keep going, but you want to. Okay, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Okay. Ooh. So the shade that I want to try on the inner corner is this one, Trust Issues. Does that change colors? Oh. Yo. Ooh. Yes. Can you see my inner corners? Okay. Crazy. So it looks white, but like you put it on, it's almost got like, it's like crazy. Like goldish. Like some crazy reflex. Oh, I did not expect that. Okay. Oh, that's what I should have gotten, the Dewy set. It looks very much like the MAC Fix Plus packaging. I just wonder what the difference is, but I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm torn. And actually, I think I know. Because of like the wine vibes on my crease, I think I know which ABH lipstick I'm going to use. So I was actually torn between two Anastasia lipsticks. And I think both would look great with this look. Or you can go nudie vibes with the... I'm so happy. Okay. But the two lipsticks very similar but different. The first one was Veronica liquid lipstick. And the other one was Trust Issues. And I'll show you guys a swatch. There is a difference, obviously. Veronica is definitely like more mauve-y, pinky, and then Trust Issues is definitely a little bit deeper, but I feel like the wine on there, I'm gonna go with Trust Issues. Maybe I'll do a little bit Veronica in the center, but let's go with that Trust Issues. Ooh, look at that highlight. Look at this face, this ABH face. Oh, okay. I don't know, I like this. Oh yeah, I like where this is going. Okay, so a little bit of Veronica in the center, and you can blend that out. Oh yeah, we like dimension here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial of the Jackie Aina palette here on my channel. This is like the first ABH palette I have loved since the Soft Glam palette. Like, I'm down for Anastasia palettes. Like, I need to get them. But this one, like, Soft Glam was my jam. And this one, while it's not all neutrals, you have some beautiful, like, colorful, you know, colors to play with here. I can definitely see myself using this a lot more than, like, there's some really nice colorful palettes. You're like, how often am I going to use that? This one, I can see myself picking up, especially coming in the fall time. I just love not only the pigmentation, but the quality of this palette is just beautiful. If you've been eyeing it, if you've been thinking about it, I definitely think you guys should pick it up. Let me know if you want to see me do some more tutorials here on my channel. And something special that I wanted to do here on my channel, I'm so excited about. We hit 12,000 subscribers sometime last week. We hit 12,000 subscribers, which is just crazy. Not number counting, but like, man, the fact that it's like, hey, 12,000 people are like, yeah, let me listen to her, is just insane. So I wanted to celebrate, and I wanted to thank you guys, especially those of you who have been watching for a while now, whether it's I'm doing a foundation review for my dry skin and seeing if this is like a luminous foundation, a hydrating foundation for dry skin, and you have oily skin, but you still watch. Thank you so much. So to give back something fun I wanted to do, I ended up buying 2 palettes. So this is my palette, and I bought an extra one because I wanted to give this one away to one of my subscribers here on my channel. I wanted a chance for somebody to be able to pick up this palette and follow along with the tutorial. So I'm saying it here first on my channel. I want to give you guys a chance, for those of you who follow me here. So make sure you're following me here on YouTube, and I'm actually going to be doing this giveaway on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle down here. So make sure you're following my Instagram and tag 2 makeup addict friends as well. And who knows, if they want to tag you back and 2 other friends, then they can get the chance to win this Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I will have this giveaway going on until Monday the 26th, so you guys get a chance. Tag all your friends, tag your tias, anybody who loves makeup, and hey, introduce them to my channel. But make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll put the rules down below just in case I was super confusing because I was way too excited. But hopefully, I'm so excited to see who wins this palette, because honestly, I think you're gonna love it. If you love makeup, if you're wanting to experiment with makeup, I think you're gonna love it. I love it. So definitely comment if you want to see more tutorials so you can follow along. If hopefully you are the lucky winner. Thank you guys so much for watching, not just this video, but every single one of my videos. It honestly means the world to me. I think for me especially, I love it when you guys comment and interact, and in general, I just like having that dialogue and having that connection and seeing those like kind of repetitive commenters. And I was like, I remember you. I'm starting to recognize names. I just love it. It honestly keeps me going. I love playing with makeup. I love reviewing products. So I hope you have been enjoying my channel. Comment down below what other things you want to see here on my channel or more of. But thank you guys so much. For those of you who are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I promise you, I think you will enjoy it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all next time.